When I first started using my memoir, Hippie Boy, as a guide to help students find their voice and power by writing their personal stories, I had no idea that I had found my calling. I just knew that after 20 years of struggle with my own hurt and pain from my childhood, I had finally found my voice and power when I wrote my story, and I was determined to help teenagers struggling with similar issues to do the same. But I also wanted to share my passion for narrative writing and help students understand how to use narrative writing techniques to really paint a picture with words and bring their stories to life. Over the last 4 years, I've had the opportunity to work personally with nearly 1,000 students, helping them to identify, structure, and write the stories that they've needed to tell. And along the way, like me, they've really found the healing, validation, and empowerment they've needed to let go of their past and move forward with their lives. You know, helping teens heal through writing is really personal to me because I've experienced firsthand the severe health issues that can occur when you hold emotional trauma deep inside. I am determined to ensure that every teenager out there has the opportunity to grow into healthy adults, not just emotionally healthy adults, but physically healthy adults. That's why I'm so excited to team with Summer Institutes to share what I've learned and to help educators, social workers, and youth mentors everywhere really unleash the healing power of personal narrative.